Yeah. Tell me, do you think that other sports past the Commonwealth Games, do you think they've become popular enough to be a force internationally? I don't think so. Because tell me, where is such it for you? Such it for you. Some of the Indians taking part in the Commonwealth Games, who are the guys that you are you on top of this?